teachers. In this video, I am going to teach you on how to get the 25 points in teachers reflection form in DepEd ranking 2025 to 2026. Based on my experience, nakakuha ako ng 25 points during sa ranking ko sa Region 11 dito sa Davao City. So, question number 1, how do you maintain a learning environment that is responsive to community context? Describe the context in your area and share teacher practices that contribute to further improvement of your community. As a professional teacher, we need to understand the value of education, the value of cultural values, belief, and socio-economic in our community. I will take an action to provide implementing programs that are responsive to social, cultural, economic environment where people live, work, and interact. I will contribute physical, psychological, and instructional environment that promotes fairness, care, respect, and safe and positive learning to the students, and fostering engagement in community, build relationship, and uphold lifelong learning. These programs can be equitable and accessible to the diversity of learners based on their socioeconomic status and cultural background. So sa objective number 6, sa question, kailangan natin maintindihan yung key concepts or key points. Learning environment sa community context. Paano ka magiging responsable sa paligid mo, sa mga learners? Ano yung i-contribute mo para ma-improve ang community? Susunod, i-discuss ko na naman objective number 7 para maintindihan nyo yung objective number 7.